But on the day when we are taken away, when God begins the millennium, 1,000 years, the bride will be resting there. Hallelujah. No sickness, no sorrows, no doctors, no nothing. Nothing will be there. Sin will not be there. Because Satan will be arrested and will be in prison for 1,000 years. Satan will be very good. One to me, I tell a bow, pay Satan or a mother can not kill my tea. Junior bad like a pair of Tinoba, you may come and make them to you at the Marabe. Pay more to me. Now, man being nearly millennium resurrection, I mean, eternity. I shall very young millennium. After Tinoba paid the product for 1,000 years. Moi, tout le monde peut dire au pays de Guyane. Tu as du pain carré. Tu as billet to pain carré. Tu as mis plusieurs pays. It's a fruits carré. Because they will inherit this earth. According to the Bible. We are coming back to inherit. After God burning everything with the fire. And then there God will bring back his children to inherit the earth. And God will bless the earth with so many fruits and so many things. Praise be to God. So there, what does the bear be more than 2 years here? Guy wanna bear the book of Revelation chapter 20. According to our beauty, showering. And the room here will make one with your man showering. If you miss this resurrection, then you need to be more than 2 years. No resurrection for you. You are more time and no time what Pedro was here. Your time was a share of get you up for Matia Quayward. They will be transformed. Pablo College, you are going into it. Anchor your tar and a breaking, they will get out. Now, you are not wishing they are. They will radicate what we are. Can you know what radicate what we are? More pain can what the bill get to give, especially from the bride, the Gentile church. But look at me, in the summer. Now, God is coming down here for his people Israel. Yes, we will tell about your medicine, you are aware. And one day I put your baby out and work at the English. Now, you want the English. Then, more than going out to Mukaido, when the men got the Mukana no bomb or wound over confusion. No, man, wound over. Bomb when you now one can nobody will survive it anymore. So then the bride will come down. And the you to Lagana Power when Revelation 19, John said, I saw New Jerusalem coming down from heaven. New Jerusalem. Not this one now. New Jerusalem coming down. Praise be to God. Hallelujah. Bien Jerusalem is in the Obia, poor man at Timberman. Piano Pinu, Moses, Kitame design, Kitame plan, and Maple ticket. Moses take all exactly Kitame Paul ticket, the temple. Praise be to God. Amen. So jumping on Timothy. Now after Bel for 1,000 years, then after 1,000 years, judgment of that bill, what a cheer jaw. Your tall carry no pay toy word. Carrying a shadow, your notice don't share, you may want to me a share. Give them what to share me, never in all the cobble. I can all the cobble to share a can. Mando ko romi kene ko kene tiegi. Hallelujah. Magni pi yinna me pay what we am. Praise be to God. Pi yinna me pay what we am. This resurrection. And me I didn't ba moro sapotor. A me word here. Oba do biru ko ole yin reka ko ale ibini mi apia ma. So yin I will consider you. Amen. Praise be to God. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen. Biar cara me koma de bini mi api. De kami de word bini word leo. E cara no ati bud yiri word leo. E cara me bom ape yiri mi aru haru. Carmo che tiene che mi ana che ana biru ko bale karana mi ci ma wera de ko re ginare ki mi ko matinna en ginu no ititi mi koma so bi manu mi ari wani yin kere ko apa haki praise be to God and can na make you are missing what we are in this chapter you are more considering among umio going to support Timothy ba God will never forget about you because Jesus said He will reward somebody who give a cup of water to his child. Amen. A cup of water. Kakum kani niyo kapia mara ken bota tinoba. God will remember you. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen. But curse is a person who will curse a child of God. Amen. Hallelujah. Kaya mitu no pero yinka shena tinoba. Yina go sheno. Hallelujah. Amen. So yang ni orang rekubni ko bejo ko ni bemun ko bejo ko ni bemun me mare un bemun me le un dan jo mun wele I pati mu bien jo per ko jo na malika kun ki pe o me o malika no de mo ino so na e breo bino jo na malika et lo ko bino ni an malika mo e no et breo bino ni man no ba e bino pray to God bien bino mu ngeo kire jo no wele et car me yesu biru jo pete jo po jole et la ya no na to ne to jo praise be to God. Amen. So what we are talking about here when we talk more about the resurrection now we are read in the book Solomon where Solomon koni mara take marathon the Mara, no water can quench love. No, according to the book of Solomon. Ni pe tie pi moro a metoro jokumara.